Brinly-Hardy Company Spotlight, the customer service team.
Hi, I'm Greg with Brinly-Hardy Customer Service. I think the best part of working at Brinly-Hardy is the people that I am surrounded by. Professional, caring, wanting to get their job done to meet the customer's need. And I enjoy being a part of that.
Hello, I'm Judy with Brinly-Hardy Customer Service. My favorite part about working at Brinly-Hardy is our innovation. We're a small family-owned business, but we always have really big things in the works. Brinly-Hardy is the best place I've ever worked.
Is Brinly-Hardy the best company I ever worked for? I have to say and agree that yes, it is. It goes back to the people and the culture, and with having the experience of people that's here, it makes it easier, and then in turn it makes it easier to satisfy the customer.
Hi, I'm Bethany with Brinly-Hardy Customer Service. My favorite part about working at Brinly-Hardy Customer Service is just being able to help customers. I mean, just saying hi to them can make somebody's day. Just trying to go above and beyond to help them. Brinly-Hardy is a great place to work because the family atmosphere and the employee relations are top-notch. I've never worked with such a close-knit group, and it's awesome to be able to be a part of.
Call, email, or chat with the Brinly-Hardy Customer Service team today.